Did you know that every single day, over 100,000 commercial flights take off around the world, carrying millions of passengers safely to their destinations? But here's a shocking reality that most travelers never consider. Behind every safe flight is an unsung hero working tirelessly to ensure your aircraft is airworthy. These are the aircraft maintenance technicians, and right now, the aviation industry is facing a critical shortage that could ground planes and disrupt global travel. Welcome to Minecrafted, where we explore the fascinating stories behind the systems that keep our world moving. Today, we diving deep into a crisis that has been brewing quietly in hangars and maintenance facilities worldwide, a shortage so severe that it threatens the very foundation of modern aviation. The magnitude of the problem, the numbers are staggering, and paint a concerning picture for the future of air travel. Boeing's latest projections reveal that the global aviation industry needs an astronomical 716,000 new maintenance technicians over the next 2 decades just to keep pace with growing demand. That's roughly equivalent to hiring the entire population of Seattle specifically for aircraft maintenance roles. The United States alone, the shortage of aviation maintenance technicians, or AMTS, as they're known in the industry, is expected to reach a critical 25,000 workers by 2028. This isn't just about inconvenience. It's about safety, efficiency, and the economic backbone of global connectivity that depends on reliable air transport. When planes can't fly, imagine arriving at the airport for your long-awaited vacation, only to find your flight canceled not because of weather or mechanical issues, but simply because there's no qualified mechanic available to perform routine maintenance checks. This scenario is becoming increasingly common across the industry, and the ripple effects extend far beyond disappointed passengers. The aviation maintenance industry in the United States alone represents a massive $65 billion. Business employing approximately 329,000 people. These professionals are responsible for everything from routine inspections to complete aircraft overhauls, ensuring that every bolt, wire, and component meets the strictest safety standards before any plane takes to the skies. The perfect storm. The current crisis didn't emerge overnight. It's the result of a perfect storm of circumstances that began brewing years ago. The COVID-19 pandemic delivered a devastating blow to the aviation industry, grounding over 16,000 commercial aircraft at one point and forcing airlines to make difficult decisions about their workforce. Thousands of experienced technicians and skilled machinists were laid off or chose early retirement during the pandemic's darkest days. Many of these professionals, averaging 54 years of age, with decades of irreplaceable experience, decided not to return when the industry began its recovery. This brain drain has left a gaping hole in institutional knowledge that takes years to rebuild. The complexity behind the scenes to truly understand the magnitude of this challenge. Consider the incredible complexity of modern aircraft maintenance. A single commercial jet engine contains up to 40,000 individual components, each requiring specialized knowledge and certification to service properly. The Federal Aviation Administration maintains strict standards for who can perform specific maintenance tasks, creating multiple layers of certification requirements. The path to becoming a fully certified aircraft maintenance technician can take several years, depending on the specialization. Even after obtaining basic airframe and power plant licenses, known as AMP certificates, technicians must undergo extensive additional training for specific aircraft types, with some programs lasting months or even years before they're considered fully operational. Innovation in training and recruitment. Despite these challenges, the industry isn't standing still. Major companies like GE Aerospace are investing heavily in comprehensive apprenticeship programs designed to attract and train the next generation of aviation professionals. These programs offer attractive starting salaries, with technicians at facilities like GE's Lafayette, Indiana location earning between $80,000 and $90,000 annually in base pay. Educational institutions are also stepping up to meet the challenge. Aviation High School in Queens, New York, has been training future mechanics for 89 years and now receives 4,000 applications for just 500 available seats. These programs are expanding nationwide, with more states developing aviation maintenance curricula at the high school level to create a pipeline of interested students. The broader implications. The mechanic shortage extends far beyond commercial aviation, affecting military operations, emergency services, and the entire aerospace supply chain. When aerial firefighting aircraft are grounded due to maintenance backlogs, forest fires burn longer. When military aircraft can't fly training missions, national security readiness suffers. The economic implications are equally severe. Aircraft manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus have strong order books for new planes. But production slowdowns due to maintenance workforce shortages could delay deliveries and impact the broader economy. The interconnected nature of global aviation means that problems in one region quickly cascade worldwide. Looking toward tomorrow, as we stand at this crossroads, the aviation industry faces a fundamental choice: invest heavily in workforce development and embrace technological solutions, or risk a future where aircraft sit grounded for lack of qualified hands to maintain them. The solution requires a coordinated effort involving manufacturers, airlines, educational institutions, and government agencies working together to make aviation maintenance careers more attractive and accessible. The next generation of mechanics will work with cutting-edge technology, laser-guided precision tools, and advanced diagnostic systems that their predecessors could hardly imagine. This is on your grandfather's aircraft maintenance. It's a high-tech career requiring continuous learning and adaptation to evolving technologies. What do you think about this hidden crisis in aviation? Have you ever experienced flight delays due to maintenance issues? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective on this critical challenge facing modern aviation. If you found this deep dive into aviation maintenance fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Minecrafted for more eye-opening explorations of the systems and people that keep our world running. Hit that like button if this video gave you a new appreciation for the skilled professionals working behind the scenes in aviation. And do unforget to ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest content exploring the hidden stories of our interconnected world.